This is a 1935 Underwood Junior typewriter. It has been fully restored with new platen and new rubber feet, and it is ready to type. This is a 1935 Underwood Junior. It's a beautiful little machine. It's been fully restored. Has new rubber feet on it and a new platen. This is a Depression era, very basic model typewriter. There's really nice glass keys on it. The glossy finish is in really good shape. Has just a few nicks and blemishes on it. Has metal ribbon spools. This machine comes with its original case, which is in fair condition. It is solid, but it does have a lot of wear. It is from 1935 though. The cloth has a lot of worn and bare spots. The corners are worn bare. The bottom of it especially is worn. A good part of the cloth covering there on the bottom was missing. And the handle has been replaced with a string. But it will help protect the typewriter still. It's for the 1935 Underwood Junior.